here this early in the mornings? Aren't you the guy who's always late? Yeah. So yeah, like, what's going on? Am I smart? Well, yeah, of course. I mean, like, you don't have to ask me that. You've seen me ace this class and every other. Oh, okay. You're failing. Okay. Well, like, why is that my problem? Yeah, I just mean, like, we're not really, like, the best of buddies or whatever. Okay. Well, I guess since class hasn't started yet and we're still waiting for some people to get here, I guess I could take a look at your homework. Okay, let me see. This is it. When you're handing this in? Tomorrow. Okay. So you still have a day to work on it. Okay. Let's see here. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is wrong. Okay. Jeez. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all insanely incorrect. Okay. Well, I can see why you're failing. But I mean, like, you don't. When do you study? For like, how long do you study? You don't study. Well, that's your problem. That's your problem. You need to study. You need to make time in your life to study or you're not gonna pass. It's as simple as that. You're not good at studying. Okay. Well then study how to study. I guess I could give you some pointers, real quick, freebies. Because my tutoring services, they're not free. But I guess I'll give you some freebies. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Give me that first page again. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Do you see this top problem? You put the wrong formula there. You put A minus B equals C. It's A2 or A squared plus B squared equals C squared. That's why you got the wrong answer. Yeah, I mean, like, don't you have a formula sheet? Yeah, the teacher handed one out at the beginning of the semester. You lost it. Okay, I'll copy mine. I'll make a copy of mine and I'll give it to you tomorrow. Okay, and then this one here, your angles are all wrong. You see that little square inside the angle? That means it's 90 degrees, not 100. Okay, so let's put that 90 degrees. Okay, not 100, not 100. You know, genuine question, and don't take this the wrong way. How did you make it to this point in high school? Ah, I see. Okay. And this one's wrong. And this one's wrong. But no, don't get discouraged, okay? Don't get discouraged. I may be a little, like, blunt. That's just who I am. But don't get discouraged. You can do this. You just have to learn how to study. Oh, wow. You didn't even try on number 4. Okay. Wow. Was that just a guess? Because there's not even work on the side. That was a guess. Okay. Well, don't guess. That's another one. Learn how to study and don't guess. You better be writing these down. Don't guess unless, like, it's a timed test and the time's almost up and you have, like, tons of questions still. Then, you know, it's better to at least guess what they are than to leave them blank. Because you might guess them right. Yeah, by chance. Okay. A lot of these are just because you don't know the formulas, but that's okay. Because you're not supposed to memorize every single formula. That's why we have the formula sheet. So like I said, I'll give you one tomorrow. But look at number 12. I think you can do that one. keychain dice. I'll get them later. Yeah. Okay, do you see you're supposed to carry it? No, right here. Right here. Yeah. Why? Because that's how that formula works. That's why. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll just do it for you and then you can look at it. I carry this and put this one right here. Look, and that's how you do it. Don't forget your order of operations now. Pam does. Remember, anything in parentheses first. Then, after that, exponents. Then multiplication or division from left to right. And then addition or subtraction left to right, you know? Yeah. You see, you did it. Okay, you did it. Like I said, you just gotta pay attention. Pay attention, focus. Focus, okay? Let's see, let's do the next one. Or how many pages is there? 1, 2, 3, there's 4. Well, I ain't doing 4 for you right now. I did that page as a freebie, okay? My tutoring services have a fee. I don't tutor for free. Yeah, of course I can tutor you. But for a fee, and not today, because class is about to start. Everyone's almost here. Yes. Okay, so see, let me write down my number. Now I'll set up something. Yeah, just remember, don't be dumb. That's like, okay, 1, study, learn how to study. 2, don't guess. And 3, don't be dumb. Humans weren't meant to be dumb. We were born with the brain. We were born with it for a reason. Use it. No, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care if you have this to do, and if you have that to do, and if you have this sport to play, and if you have this person to go out with. I don't care. Okay? Because at the end of the day, you don't pass this, and you're gonna be in school. Alright? Make time. Make time. I don't care how you have to do it, just make time. That's all it takes. Listen, people think that you have to be like natural at the skills of like math and science or whatever. No one's born with those skills. No one is. There's my number. No one is born with those skills. You just gotta apply yourself and do your best and study. And as long as you know that you did your best, it's okay to get a C sometimes. You know, it's okay to get, like C's and stuff. As long as you know that you applied yourself and you did what you could. Okay? Yeah. So there's my number. And my Cash App underneath that, or Venmo, whichever one you want to use. I don't have Apple Pay, but Venmo or Cash App, or I guess I will accept cash in person too. I don't care. As long as you give me my money, I will tutor you. Yeah, so like text me or call me and we'll schedule something. But money up front, because I've had people chip me before. Yeah, I tutored this one person and they learned everything and they were smart and they excelled because of me. And then they kept saying, oh, I'll get you your money, I get you your money. And then they transferred to a different state. Yeah. Yeah, so give me my money up front and I'll tutor you. Okay, now shut up. The class is about to start. Yeah, and we're not gonna like make this a thing. Like you live your life, I live mine. We're not gonna be like friends.